Oh, sorry. I have. Sorry, guys. I didn't have. I didn't have. Yeah, sound. Yeah. Sorry. Hello again. So I'm Alex, the founder of I Know Code Agency and I Know Code Hub. So in this stream we create the in 7 days we create the MVP by scratch with the product part, design part, and development part, and yeah, we do it by scratch. So like sometimes without the product, we choose it on the stream, and you see all the process on the stream. And it's important thing that on the 7 days we need to we must publish it live and go with this product. So if on this stream, for example, we will have something uncompleted, we will publish it. And in the how to say, like how we will have it, we will publish it. So it doesn't matter. So in this stream we create the product. It is one of the products of the No Code Hub, I Know Code. So it is portfolio publisher for developers. And the second thing, like listing of these portfolios for customers, so where they can select the right developer by skills and skill set and the tools. And so with previous days we already created the product description, we already created the design, and already developed most of the screens, and now we continue development day with the Eamon. So I want to show Eamon now. Hello, Eamon.
Hi, Alex.
Yeah, hello. So I'm in our Bubble developer on this stream, and already done with some screens. You can see the previous streams and review it. I mean, how are you? How are you? And what's our plan for today? I know that you have not much time today, but I know that you did something outside the stream, and what? How are you? And what's the plan?
Thanks, Alex. I'm doing great.
I'm doing great.
For the plan of
For the plan
today,
of today,
I guess we're
I guess we're
gonna
gonna
build out
build out
the rest
the
of
rest
the screens.
screens.
We're
We're
gonna
gonna
also
also
focus
focus
more
more
on
on
like
like
the
the
back
back
end,
end
the workflows.
workflows.
By
By
the
the
way,
way,
could
could
you
you
mute
mute
your
your
microphone?
Oh, yep.
There we go. So we're gonna build out like the rest of the screens and whatever is left. We're gonna check for some bugs also that we want to fix. We're looking at privacy for pages because we don't want users to be able to access pages they are not supposed to be able to access. For example, a client's going to edit profile when uh, they don't have the access for that particular person, and so on and so forth. I guess that's for today. I've also spent like a few hours before the stream. I was working on the actual designs and some workflows, and finished
Finished
another
another.
page actually.
Can you please first share your screen and to show what we
Yeah.
have done in outside the stream, and then we can continue.
Awesome. Let's do that. Can you see my screen?
Yes, and I want to ask you also one thing. So if you today will when you will develop, so can you comment some technical maybe details for those who not the professionals and big professionals in Bubble, so we can they can learn something.
Yep, for sure. Okay. Well, can you still hear me by the way?
Yep, yep. I can see your screen. Yep.
Awesome. Right, so we want to explain some stuff for non-technical users, right? as we go.
Can you repeat, please?
So we want to explain like
Yeah,
how
I mean, I mean,
users like
just yeah. For that doesn't matter. Like for those who don't know Bubble, but just for if you, I'm not asking now. Just review all logic of Bubble. So if you do something next, something after the review the product. Yeah, let's do that. But now, yeah, can you review what we have done and yeah for today.
All right, let's just get through that. Let's turn off notifications. Right. So yeah, what we're gonna do for the day. Yeah, let's turn that off. Okay, awesome. Turn off. Great. So, what I did, we have actually done more than during page. There's edit profile. There's edit portfolio. These are the 4 pages that we worked on. So when it comes to the portfolio, it's you're going index as a client. You're going for a website, and you. So we want to access more details about his project, like what he's doing in this project or whatever is portfolio.
I mean,
Like
you
here.
sound like cut off sometimes. I mean, not like I can hear you well because like it's like cut off every like
Okay.
5 seconds. Yeah.
Okay. That explains why I'm on my other Wi-Fi.
Yeah, so we already created all our screens, and this is like I'm so happy about that. So it is like the platform is pretty easy, and the best designer Vadim created this simple, easy design. But oh yeah, we lost Emin, so he will come in some minutes. But yeah, I just want to know, maybe show you what we had in design for your understanding. And so for design, we have 2 sides. We have client side and we have developer side. On the developer side, in like landing page or index page is a page where you like which works like a form. Then we have just you fill in the form, go to registration, go to and go to editor and viewer of your portfolio, and you can send this link to the customers, to your clients. So that's all. And yeah, for the client side, we have listing, and you can go to each case and go here like for view the portfolio. Yeah, we're just aiming still now here. So yeah, log in.
All right, so I'm back. Yes.
Yeah, I just now review like the little bit review the design of the Vadim. So yeah, and let's first show to viewers how like which screens already transferred and what already works, and then go to the next next point.
Okay.
So the listing, yep.
So for example, this is the landing page for customers, and right here, customers will be able to filter out, make search for prices, so on. with tools and all. Say they click on a bellow, make that functional very soon. Well, that said, it will make searches and all. So, for example, hey, they already see someone that they like. They want to, let's say, they want to see the portfolio for Alex. They would click here. There we go. We see the projects that Alex has on his portfolio. He has Magic Stories. It's an app that creates a story with your child's favorite character and it's or the integrations where Chat GPT and APIs. I'm pretty sure it should be something else. Okay, it should be skills and integrations rather than just skills. But yeah, I'm guessing we could also add something else, Alex. Maybe once we hover on this and we click, a pop-up will appear with more details, like on the project. Maybe the
Do you think that we need more details of the project? So what details? About what details you're talking about? Just yeah, what
so for example, let's say they want to see more, like let's say you have more skills here that are not visible, and they want to see like a better like representation of the project, and they would have like instead of just a small description, it will be a longer description with more details, like what did they use, what did they solve problem.
It's a good point about
the
it's a good point about the long story because we like, for example, on our website I can share how which like length of our like our portfolio on our website. So we have like something, one moment, our website we have that one, and we have for example, yeah, you just go to each and we have like long descriptions, so brief. So we have like features, the idea, the user flow, the like all details, and this like yeah, it's pretty long. And yeah, I will talk with the developer and sorry, with the designer, and yeah, maybe he will have some ideas, but yeah, for now I think it's okay.
Yeah. Awesome then. Well, let's continue working. So this is the email. Email name and project description. So I'm gonna make this functional since it's very important that we have our customers able to like give us projects. So when they sign up, they would let's say they want to like get contacts or see contacts for this profile. So they would click here, and the sign up to get contacts is now visible. So they go through and they write their name, Alex, and email Alex at magicstory or magicstore.io. Oh, well, that's definitely not what we want. Why is it visible? That's so weird, even though it's a password. Okay, maybe it's because of this. That's so weird. It was selected as a password. I don't get it. Not sure why that happened. Okay, I guess that's a bug on Bubble. If you add a placeholder with visible text, like this, it would actually make the password visible. But, well, that's it. Let's try that. Yeah, never mind. Well, describe the idea of the project, sign up, continue with Google. Okay. So let's actually make this functional. So it's going to sign the user up. It's going to take their email, which is our customer. We're going to make changes to the user. This current user is going to be also a client, so it's going to be customer turn to yes, and developer is no. They are not developers yet. Full name is going to be Alex. The input full name. Value, and what else? Oh yeah, project description. So that said, we also want to create a new project. It's going to be a client project. This new data type is basically going to have all the user data. I don't think we need this, but it's okay. I mean, I could just reference the user instead of having all this. Yeah, let me just do that. Data, client projects. So email off, full name is in the user, link is okay. It's the link for the, I don't remember exactly, but oh wait, no, sorry about that. I got mixed up with another thing. It was the described project. Sorry about that. And I can't turn them back. Oh, that's okay. Let's get it back here. Gates, email, sake of full name as well. All right. Oh, well, that said, we don't need to actually that. So full name and let me try to focus a bit here. So we want to see contacts. And we're going to sign up to see contacts. So to get the contacts, we're going to sign up. So we don't actually need this project. It's not a project idea. So that's not needed yet. Let's see where we are. And yep, don't think we actually need this one. Let's delete that. Okay, and let's have some gap spacing. But keeping in mind, just have it on top for me. Okay. Good. So once they click on sign up, it will sign the user up. And that's only when the current user. Well, I did actually add a conditional before, so there's no need for that. Sign the user up, make changes to the user. Cool. Awesome. Now let's test this out. We should be able to see something happening here. So see contacts, Alex, let's use temp mail. Oh, we already have this one, so let's refresh to a new one. There we go. Let's try this and sign up. That should let us see the contacts. It should also hide. It should also hide the actual pop-up right after we do that. So hide pop-up if the make changes to user is not empty. So once our signup is successful, it will actually hide the pop-up. We should also add an error handler here. So this is going to take whatever error that we cannot see and only Bubble can see and put it here. It's going to be probably a sign-up error. And it's going to take the current workflow error. So let's say you try to sign up without inputting anything. Pretty sure logout should be last, so I'll fix that too. logouts and make last. That should fix that. See contacts, Alex again, h.c 123.io. So, well, that would work actually. Say we try to sign up without anything. Please include an email. Okay. If you take off a password, enter password. So this is for the workflow errors that we cannot actually find. Well, what else? What else? I'm gonna also add the continue with Google login later on. Let me just download the plugin for it because we don't want to do it from scratch. I mean, it's easy to be done with API connector. Let's install it just in case. But let's also add the Google login for the sake of making this easier. God damn it. Google Auth. Here we go. Oh, that's it. That's it. What else do we have to do? Oh, yeah. Let's actually get rid of the pop-up once we click on X. So hide the pop-up. Pop-up sign up. Ooh, let's go. So we try to sign up. Okay, cool. Let's log in. Not sure why that is happening. So let's find the name. Oh yeah, that should be make first. Makes a lot of sense. Refresh. Oh, we're kind of logging in. I think I know why. Because of the actual login having a similar workflow with the node should go to the index if the current user is logged in. Current is yes, and current users customer is yes. Cool. Alex, for example, since we do have two types of users, the ones that are developers or agencies, and the ones that are clients, where do we want to like redirect clients and developers? Like, which page should we redirect them to? The index, all of them?
When we click on the logo?
Yes.
Yep, index, yep.
Okay. So we don't need this. From this, yes, go to page index. Let's see what else. On sign up, we also send an email, so let's also do that. Make changes to developers. That's for making changes to developers. Sign up. Read mode. Nope. Okay. Let's do that here. And that is if and only if the current user's email confirmed is no. So log the user in and okay. Now if you go back to login, should also add like, okay, yeah, makes sense. Should also add workflow here, and the user is logged in. Then redirect them immediately. Go to page. Sign up, confirm. If their current user's email confirmed is no, and also send an email. If the current user's email confirmed is no, or go to page, index, if the current user's email is confirmed. Don't need to do anything after that. And also should not make it visible. So this is not visible unless if the current user is locked out. Cool. Now if we refresh, we won't be able to see because we would be logged in. And we would be redirected to sign up, confirm. Good. If we check our email, nice. Use this code for confirmation. Well, that did not generate, of course, because I have it on sign up. Where did I generate it? It was here. Yeah, okay. So I'll have to generate it. Again, back to login. Make changes to user. Confirmation code. Send an email. Okay, cool. The same goes for portfolio. So let's, portfolio and sign up. Copy expression, confirmation code, paste, delete, and send email, paste. Good. Now let's try to refresh again as in login. Nope. Wait, where is it? Okay, let's try to get in login manually. So we won't see it. It will redirect. Boom. Sign up, confirm. We get another email, I suppose. Second email coming in. Okay, that did not come in. What could be the issue? Ah, did come in. That took a while. Boom. Check that out. Light and fast. So we don't actually need access for this since the user that we created actually was a customer. So portfolio edit mode. We go to it. Right? That's no. That's the wrong one. Crap baskets. There we go. User is logged in. Current user is not. Wait. Current user is logged in. Developer is no. Navigate. Go to page. Index. And error alerts. Standard. Error. Edit portfolio. Or portfolio. On page, buddy. So if we refresh, Alex is a customer. Good. Should probably also hide the elements since the current user is not actually. So if the current user is not developer is yes, and this is visible. Copy condition. So rename this group section. elements in column. Good. Close. Should also probably have a bit more height. You know what? It was fine the way it was. Hold on. Yeah, I'll just add this here. Collapse on hidden. And projects. So this is group projects. And this is group top section. Not sure what kind of issue is popping up here. Let's see. Go to yeah, of course. Error alert should come before, and there you go. Yeah, let's see. Portfolio. Let's go back. What is? Okay, no. Edit portfolio or portfolio edits. Note. Wrong page, buddy, and we go to index. Cool. Okay, so what's left is to actually make the filters functional as well. There's also describe projects. So this one is where we actually send the project. So I think this one should be working, except the tools and skills. I'll also add them later. Yeah, so also another part of the index page is that, hey, you didn't really find a perfect developer for you. You searched and you didn't really find somebody that's like just from the search, you can find someone that's fitting for your requirements. What you would do is click on describe project. We will help you find the perfect developer. You will leave us a short description of the project, the skills like ChatGPT, API integrations, Google Docs, Google Sheets, the things that you would prefer having in a developer. Also, the tools or the technologies that you want them to use. For example, softwares. For example, Adalo, Airtable, Bubble, Flutterflow, stuff like that. WeWeb. Let's talk about the description. You leave us a short description, your full name, your email, and you send us the actual project. And from there, we will receive it on client projects. We'll also receive it in email, and we will email you back. I guess that's how it's going to be processed, right, Alex?
Yes. Yeah. But yeah, I think so. It's also good to like for the future make like show listing according to the request. But yeah. So it's for now it's okay.
Yeah. So I think that's it for today. Since I don't really have much time, it's way over 30 minutes.
Okay, so let's maybe review it again and
Yeah.
yeah.
So for developers, in case you go to the index and you want to create your own portfolio, you click on create a portfolio. Get to this page. Publish your no-code portfolio in 5 minutes. You go check your cover. Let's see, uploader. Maybe I could use. Yeah, let's use this one. Sports. And let's go here. Image. Let's go to bounce. Not done. So we got bounce. I don't really like the quality there. Maybe I'll export it as SVG instead. Hold on. is the image? Oh, let's do this again. Bounce linked projects bounce.io something. Let's see. Do the downloads IP save here. Where's it? Download. Save here as well. APIs. Also gonna fix this issue. Chat GPT. Okay, cool. Then you fill up your profile. Let's also download a new profile. Let's see what we've got here. I think there were ones here. So let's say this is high no code instead of sports SVG. So this is highnocode.com. It's going to be the agency. And we're going to download this new avatar. Well, we publish the profile. And then we start signing up. Let's delete this email. Okay, so something is messed up. Sign up. Pretty sure the visibility is messed up, yeah. Is logged out. Forgot to complete form sign up. That let's refresh, so it's gonna have the div ID as well. So yeah, let's get the new email. And sign up. You got the code. So there you go. As a developer, this is the process to actually register to the platform. Continue. Oops. Well, that went wrong. Let's also fix that. Portfolio edit mode. So current user developers. No. Oh, it was not set up on sign up. Okay. That's so weird. Changes the developer. And yes. It's very much app data. Dun, dun, dun. Where is this? Where is this? The hell is this? Oh, wrong data. Save. So let's take a look back again. No, not here. Here. Now we should be able to check our portfolio. God damn it. Here you go. And then we click on add a project. We'll also add that page to add the new project. So yeah, I think that's it for today. What do you think, Alex?
Cool. And now we can see this project on the screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right then.
But yeah, we have something visible layouts, but I think you. Oh, not.
Yeah.
We'll
Fix.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you. And yeah, we will continue. I think tomorrow Sunday, right? So you said tomorrow you will be unavailable. Yep.
Yep. I'll probably develop tomorrow, but I won't be available for like stream.
Okay. Okay, let's talk. Yeah, so I will connect only by myself probably tomorrow, and we can yeah, we just will work. Yeah, we'll work with the marketing stuff and prepare to launch the product in the product hunt, so we can,
Yeah.
we can do it because we launch. I want to launch it Sunday. I haven't hadn't experience with that, but that's why I need to spend some time tomorrow for prepare, and Sunday I think we can launch it, or we can, I don't know, I will think about that. Maybe we'll launch the first days of the week. So yeah.
Awesome, man.
Awesome, man.
Yeah, thank you for coming. Yeah, I will still here. I will maybe, yeah, review the some details, because now I need to give the feedback to designer for some buttons, because now we don't, for example, we don't have button like share your portfolio, and we also don't have yeah, this long view of the portfolio, and I think it can be helpful for people to see more information about the portfolio, and that's why, yeah, we'll think with designer and maybe tomorrow do something with that. So yeah. Again,
Alright.
thank you. Yeah, have a good evening. Yeah.
Thanks,
Bye.
Alex. It was
It was
great.
great.
Go see you. Hope see you like tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah. Bye.
Alright then.
Alright then.
So yeah, let's continue. Let's continue. I want to show you just the how I make comments for our designer. So to be honest, we just a little bit out of our timeline now, because yeah, we're a little bit out of our timeline, and we need to hurry up. But we still have some like UX issues which we need to fix. For example, when I create this one, so here I need to have the button share your portfolio, or like copy portfolio link, and it should be here, and also yeah, also it should be here too, the same link, copy the portfolio, copy portfolio link. A moment, yeah. Okay, copy the portfolio link, and then we can, yeah, let's go further and see what we have here. Here, like view, no logo. So here in the viewer, it's like the view when you for the customers, which you don't yeah, when I turn off the logo, I will see this this listing, but if I didn't turn off the logo, I see this yeah, this information at the top with the logo and create the portfolio. And Yeah, so one more important point we just realized with aiming that it is so it will be helpful if we will have a more detailed view of the portfolio, and I think it should be not required, so I can create two types. I can just leave it like here or go and write down more information about that. And in this, I think in this listing I can create like it will be very simple. It will very simple. It will just so it will be headings and descriptions. Here let's add the link. So link to the maybe show, maybe learn more, or show more. I don't know, something like that. Yeah. And oh, it's an editor. But in the editor, I think we need to, yeah. So here we have yeah. So it's like let's leave it here. Yeah, like show more, like show more too. Okay, let's leave it like that, and let's add it here. So yeah, show more view. Maybe it will pop up. I don't know really. I can't imagine it now. So yeah, let's go further and add something else here. Yeah, we also need to here create the link. Create the link to the portfolio for the portfolio, and I think we need it added here. Add like for example, we need to create unique link for each portfolio, and it will be like I know code slash and something else. Add the unique link. And also here we'll have that field create unique link. That's all. So let's go next and see what we have. I mean, like, yeah, we need to this functionality for better, yeah, we just need it. And here, I think here, like, we have I don't know, maybe here we don't need show the portfolios. I don't know. I don't really know because okay, it looks like okay for now, but I think it can be a little bit messy when you have like different I don't know, maybe hide the peaks. But okay, wait. We already have this developed. Let's not touch it. It's okay. It's okay for now. I think. Yeah, I think all is good now. So maybe I will have some more comments, but this is the main. Yeah. So thank you for coming, guys. Tomorrow I will start the marketing part, and Sunday I hope we will publish and do it on the product hunt. Thank you for coming, guys, and have a good no-code weekend. Have a good no-code weekend, and